A step toward soft, flexible robots and electronics is smart plastic material. Researchers at the University of Texas in Austin set out to develop a plastic that is similar to many living things, that is hard and rigid in some areas and flexible and stretchy in others. They were inspired by living things like trees and mussels. Their achievement, a first that involved changing the hardness and elasticity of molecules of the same kind using only light and a catalyst, has produced a novel material that is 10 times stronger than natural rubber and may result in more flexible electronics and robots. Today, the journal Science published the findings. Zachariah Page, an assistant professor of chemistry and corresponding author on the article, claimed that this is the first substance of its kind. Wearable electronics or actuators in soft robotics could be completely changed by the capacity to control crystallization and, consequently, the material's physical properties, according to research. For a very long time, scientists have worked to create synthetic materials that imitate the characteristics of living structures like skin and muscle. Structures in living things frequently mix qualities like strength and flexibility with easiness. When employing a combination of diverse synthetic materials to simulate these properties, the materials frequently fall short, ripping and disintegrating where the materials meet. When materials are brought together, especially if they have highly dissimilar mechanical qualities, they frequently try to separate, according to Page. By using light to vary how stiff or elastic the material would be, Page and his colleagues were able to regulate and modify the structure of a material that resembled plastic. Chemists began with a monomer, a small molecule that joins with other molecules of a similar size to make the building blocks for larger structures known as polymers, which are comparable to the polymer found in the most widely used plastic. After evaluating a dozen catalysts, they discovered one that produced a semi-crystalline polymer resembling those in synthetic rubber when combined with their monomer and exposed to visible light. The portions that the light contacted created a tougher and more rigid substance, while the unlit areas kept their soft, elastic characteristics. The substance was stronger and could be stretched farther than other mixed materials, since it was formed of a single material with distinct qualities. The monomer and catalyst are readily available in the marketplace. The reaction occurs at ambient temperature, and the experiment's light source was a cheap blue LED. The reaction also uses the least amount of hazardous waste possible and takes less than an hour, making the procedure quick, affordable, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. To further verify the material's utility, the researchers will next try to create more things using the substance. First, author Adrian Rilsky, a doctorate candidate at Austin, said, "We are looking forward to investigating techniques of using this chemistry towards constructing 3D things, combining both hard and soft components. The material may be utilized as a flexible basis to secure electronic components in medical devices or wearable technology." According to the research team, to enhance movement and durability in robotics, it is preferable to use robust and flexible materials. The University of Texas at Austin's Henry L. Cater, Keldy S. Mason, Marshall J. Allen, Anthony J. Arrowwood, Benny D. Freeman, and Gabriel Lisanoia all made contributions to the study. The National Science Foundation, the U.S. Department of Energy, and the Robert A. Welch Foundation all provided funding for the study.